When I was in Orlando 2021 teaching against cryptos, faithfully teaching it, one day the Lord actually would go back.
I promise you, I have learned so much from Erwin. So much. I've been in his classes, I've been in his challenges, and he is doing it from the position of listening to God.
So I want to take a minute to talk to you about AI, which means artificial intelligence. And my dear friend, Dr. Erwin Garcia, will be ministering on that. And the Bible also tells us that knowledge and wisdom is good, and you need to get that.
This is a fun community. The joy of the Lord is in this place, and the joy of the Lord will be your strength. Even as you're learning, if you make mistakes and you stumble, it's okay. There's people here. You're not alone.
Timing is key because it's a history in the making.
He said, let me be very clear. He said, I want you to anoint Erwin as king of the AI mountain. And I was like, what? What did you say?
And I do believe through this information that Dr. Garcia is giving us, that it will be a true blessing and it will impact us.
So we are the body, and the body is being told by the head before it ascended into heaven to fill all things.
Don't give up. Join the courses, join Erwin and what he's teaching.
So I pray that you would tag your friends and let them know that he's doing some great seminars on this with a great panel of powerful anointed men and women of God.
And even when it come time to anoint him, I didn't even know what to say. I was like, oh my gosh, I don't even know what to say, because how do you anoint somebody over something you know nothing about? You know? And the Lord told me, you don't need to know about it. I do. But you have the authority I have given you to anoint him.
I want to expose all these people. I met not just one, not just two, 7 people who lost millions of dollars because of this.
And while I was praying, that's what he was telling me. So I anointed him. And the Lord told me, he said, he will take over this mountain and he will be king over it. And then the enemy will not be able to steal it from him.
He said, go ye into all the world, and to all the earth, and into every metaverse. Take it.
But what God has been speaking to me personally is that he wants to get his word out.
Erwin, my servant, says the Lord, and will make you like a signet ring, for I have chosen you, says the Lord of hosts. Now, interrupted, that you are on the cutting edge. So people, he's bringing you what God considers the cutting edge of AI.
Hi, my name's Dean. I'm part of Minas Academy. I've been in with the start with foundations, and now in trading and legacy masters. Just wanted to give a shout out to Erwin and Asmina and the rest of the team. Right now we're sitting at a 3x with our cryptos, and look to be going much higher very soon. We're just at the start of the bull run at the end of January, and I just wanted to talk to you really quickly about my journey. I'm an entrepreneur and wasn't in day trading or anything per se. I had people managing money for me, and I believe God's put me in this group for a reason. Now managing my own money and in crypto and a few other investments. But the tools that you'll learn in Minas Academy are incredible. Just from my start with understanding crypto 101, crypto cycles, timing, protection of your crypto using anti-phishing software, defense versus offense, how to trade, tools to use, research. We had a plethora of cryptos, both from Erwin and the Academy, and also the Prophet Robin. and they've been, phenomenal. All of those cryptos have done extremely well. Now we're using in the trading class the trading bots, and that's gone extremely well. So I just also want to say the community is fantastic with everybody in there. Whether you're a Christian or not, I highly, highly, highly recommend it, and enjoy being there, and have enjoyed it. So you'll learn a lot, you'll learn quickly, and everybody will help prop you up, and it's all good. So we'll see you in there.
Hey, my name is Stuart. Big shout out to Erwin Garcia at Minas Academy. I have been part of the Academy now for coming up to 6 months. I'm part of the Advanced Accelerator course, and also I'm in the trading course as well. Over the last 6 months, I've seen significant gains financially, with over 5 times my return on investment. In addition, we have just been able to really hear God's voice about what He's looking to do in this season, and just to be part of this wealth transfer time that we're in. And but in addition to that, it's just been great to be part of a group that's just full of integrity, that is combines great biblical teaching with hearing God's voice through the prophetic, and applying just really good solid wisdom in how we apply that to investing and trading. So if you're interested in seeing God move through you and your finances, whether that be personally or whether that to be invest in the kingdom, I would thoroughly recommend that you come along and that you check it out and that you sign up, and just not for what God can do through you, but also just to be part of a great community of people. I think one of the most challenging things about investing or being in business or even pioneering as a whole is just it can be quite a lonely road. And one of the things I love about the course is just that sense of family and belonging, and that we're all in this together. But just a massive thank you to Erwin and the team, and really excited about what we see God do in 2025.
In 2009, the God airdrop is accelerating kingdom expansion. It was introduced at 31 cents. And in August 30, 2014, they raised $16 million.
My coin stats, Facebook, and in Zoom.
My question is that I have a few of those accounts, like cryptocurrency accounts, and I'm confused about what I have and what I don't have.
The whole purpose of this is you can see everything of all your whole wallet. Just connect a wallet and just connect an Ethereum wallet, and then just put the address.
On a side note, Alejandro, did you notice that there was a prophetic words for the South American countries that they're going to be very rich? So with that being said, a lot of South American countries are going to follow suit to what El Salvador did. Here, Bitcoin went at 33K, and then 60K, and then 36K. You want to avoid buying Bitcoin all in the top price. Building on top of that, and then we talked about how the kingdom is defense first versus offense, where
Jasmine and Rina. Thank you for letting me know. Okay, StreamYard, you mean? Okay, StreamYard, there's no sound. So we should have double checked that, guys. So it should be good now. Sound is back. Okay, testing 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I see it. My bad. That's my bad. I can see the meter now. All right, so let's keep going, guys. Sorry about that. It was in the StreamYard. So with that being said, let's go straight to our slide, guys. Okay, so Manuel Johnson said he saw overnight millionaires and billionaires. I see this happening simply by holding cryptos. But if you want to accelerate that faster, okay, AI, guys, type in the chat. AI collapses time. AI collapses time. Okay, whether you use AI in your personal life, reading the Bible, in your business, in this context, we're using artificial intelligence to collapse the time for the wealth transfer. And it's simply happening right now. As you can see, this month alone, you can see here, bam. I mean, that's a collapse. Look at that. Okay, a top man user with a $100,000 account. How'd you like to get, who here wants to get $79,000 in a month? Wave your hands at me, $79,000 account. So the top user, it all depends on the start time and the coin selected. Top man had $79,000. Wow, this month. Okay, CoinTech and AX produced $46,000. These are probably $100,000 accounts, 24,000, 15,000. So it all varies on the coin selected and the timing when you got in. Because back to this chart, you could have went in here. If you went in here, that's really good because it went up. Or you could have went in here and it went down. It's probably not that good for you. But it's like it all depends on where you came in. So you can see here it's being collapsed. Let me just see a little bit of my slides. Cryptos is just the easiest way to becoming financially free, guys. Way beyond stocks, faster than stocks, except for Zion Oil and Gas. That's one thing I like, Zion Oil and Gas. And now I'm ready, guys. I'm ready. A lot of people have been asking, what's the performance in the past few months? And this time I'm ready. So as you can see here, it's a little bit tiny. I guess I should have made it bigger. You can see here, this is April 2024. Bam, perfect month. Well, not perfect, 99.8% win rate, a loss rate of 0.2. This is a $20,000 account, $2,000. Okay, April, May, 100%, perfect month. A $20,000 account produce 1,000. Okay, this is where it varies. Okay, June 2024, perfect month, $20,000 account, produce $1,000. Okay, here's a losing month. And I'm going to show you how the AI bot has upgraded the code and this won't happen. So check this out. July 5th, a losing month of around 10%. Okay, the bot almost lost $2,000. And mind you, it recovered and it just recovered 138. But I want to show you guys something really, really cool where the bot now has upgraded code. Okay, check this out. What happened on Friday? Friday, July 5th. Friday, July 5th. What happened on Friday, July 5th? Let's take a look. Here's Friday, July 5th. Let me clean this out. Okay. Friday, July 5th, 2024. Check this out. I'm so excited to share this. Friday, July 5th. Bam. Oh. Bam. Okay. Friday. Okay. Whoop, whoop. There. There's July 5th. There it is. Look what happened on July 5th. Oops, I'm not sharing that slide. Sorry, my bad. What happened on July 5th? Bitcoin dropped, okay, from, okay, right there, $58,000. July 5th, July 4th, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay? From 53K all the way from 58K. So this is crazy. It went boop, boop, boop. It crashed, flash crash. Okay, 58,000 to 53,000. So if we do the math, 58 divided by 53, this is what's crazy, guys. 9%. The bot crashed 9%. The market crashed 9%, and the bot couldn't handle it. So, guys, type in the chat. AI learns. AI learns. AI learns. Artificial intelligence is software mimicking human intelligence, and in this case, it learns from its mistake. So this is what's crazy. Check this out. Okay, 10% loss. Check this out. Where's another picture that I want to show? Another picture that I want to show. Check out what happened on October 10. What happened in October 10? Let's go to October 10. October 10. Reset chart view. October 10. How much did we drop by in October 10, guys? From what price to how low? Okay, you guys can see it. It's right here and right here. Guys, type in the chat. How much did Bitcoin drop? Okay, how much percent? You can kind of calculate it. 122 to 102. Everyone say 20%. Okay. The market crashed 20% on October 10. And check this out, guys. This, I'm so excited. That's what I was like, it's done. It is done. Okay. October 10. Guess what happened on October 10 to all our users? Okay, I'm just pulling out that screenshots. Okay, it's getting there. We're close. There it is. There. This is what happened on October 10. On October 10, Topman made $51,000. The whole community, the users, made $1.23 million. In fact, the loss is no longer 10%, but 1%. Guys, type in the chat. New stop loss, 10% down to 1%. This is nuts. And now it comes full circle. Erwin, what's the point? What's the point? What's the point? Not only did I average around 17%, this is it. So we come full circle. Then I'll start teaching about the bot. So long story cut short, everybody wants that $1 million. Like, Erwin, I want that $1 million. Okay. Anybody wants $1 million? Wave your hands at me. I want $1 million. Wave your hand. Everybody wants this $1 million. I don't want to burst your bubble, guys. Okay. The reason why you want that $1 million. Does anybody know the 4% rule? Wave your hands at me. Do you guys know 4% rule? 4% rule says once you make it, you're a millionaire. 4% rule means you can only take out 4%. In this case, 40K per year. In this case, 1K per week. All right. Give and take $40,000 divided by 52 weeks. Actually, let's just do the math. I like doing math. Let's do the math. Okay, $40,000. 1, 2, 3 divided by 52 weeks. I mean, that's even lower. That's even lower. Way lower. Wow. 769. What's the point? The point is you don't need $1 million, guys. You only need 27,000 with our 15% AI trading bot. Okay. What does that mean? Okay. Some of you guys might have this and you're like, oh my gosh, I can retire. So with that being said, okay, you just need, and all you need is $27,000 with our 15% AI trading bot. And if you go back here, that's $27,000 times 15% is $4,000 per month. Okay, since the bot is making around 15%, $4,000 per month, you're like, oh my gosh, I can be retired now. That's it. And then I'm already giving you guys all the information. How do you get this tax-free? In the Academy, we show you how to take tax-free crypto loans. That's it. You pull out, oops. You're like, how do I get this tax-free? In the Academy, we show you how to take tax-free crypto loans. Okay. So that's it, guys. I was like, wow, that's the first thing I want to share. Wow. And let me keep going. The reason why I'm excited, I am excited. When you are not worrying about producing money In this case, money is making more money. I am so excited. Now is the time for your call. When I say that, I met pastors and even entrepreneurs, and they're like, oh, I still have to do challenges. I still have to do webinars. I still have to do this. I still have to make offers and services, go to work. No. When it's like wealth is just overflowing, money, making more money. Now that's it. It's time for your call. It's time for you to do what you love. It's time for your destiny. When I say that, I'm talking about 100%. I still meet pastors and leaders, high profile ones, and they're like, wish there was a miracle of me finding money or getting a check or something. And I'm like, guys, that's language for you're not overflowing with money. And this is what's crazy. Imagine you have this, and then you just keep making more bots. You make another one. Now you're making, instead of 1K per week, then you start making 2K, then 3K, then 4K, then 5K. The more you save, the more bots you're creating. Guys, type in the chat, sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. Sky's the limit. Okay. All right. So I'm excited. With that being said, back to this slide. I believe the code has upgraded. A lot of people asked for this. August 2024, perfect month. One drawdown, again, another 2,000. But check this out. Even though there was a 10% stop loss, we were up at 286. Okay, but now it's better. Here is 2 stop loss days. That's why I was concerned. In the academy, we're not putting it as much now. Now we are, because the code is now upgraded. 2 days where it was stop loss, and in this case minus 2,000. But the code has upgraded. That was September. October, 1,000, perfect month. November, another 2 stop loss dates. The code has upgraded for these Black Swan events. Learning. December, 1 stop loss day. Everything else is perfect. January, perfect. February, 1 stop loss day, but the bot was able to recover. February, and then March, perfect month. So I'm so excited. With that being said, let's get to this. Where am I now? Close this. With that being said, guys, that's it. Instead of trying to time the market, Solana, these kind of coins, buying low, sell high, the AI will do it for you. We know this for a fact. Cryptos is faster than stocks. Guys, type in the chat, 24/7 market. 24/7 market. Stocks closes on holidays. Stocks and option closes on holidays, stops on weekends, right? They have like working hours. Cryptos is 24/7. This bot is nonstop. So guys, you know this. I'm going to show you guys how to turn an AI crypto bot into a fully optimized wealth engine in 2 weeks or less without trading experience or risking your lifestyle, for smart investors, high net worth entrepreneurs, business owners who want borderless wealth, time freedom, and legacy security. Okay. Some visualizations. How you can visualize this. Jasmine, $27,000 is, you don't need that. Okay. Our members are starting off with $100. Jasmine, I actually can ask that to Jasmine. $100. Some of them go up to 100,000. So some users. So with that being said, you can start off with 100. You don't need $27,000. What I wanted to demonstrate is everybody wants the holy grail of $1 million. You're like, oh, I wish I had $1 million so I can retire. That's just 4% rule, and that's only $40K per year. That's only $1,000 per week. You can do that with 27K. So meaning if you have the 27K right now, Jasmine, wow, it's like you're already retired. You don't need the 1 million, 27K. This is what's crazy. On a side note, if you run this with your $1 million, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Who here wants to make $150,000 per month? Wave your hands at me. That's a better retirement. Like, yes, thank you, hallelujah, praise you, Jesus. I have $1 million. You run this AI bot on 1 million. I mean, 150,000 is nice to have per month. Okay, I was like, wow, that's gonna be crazy. Okay, let's go back to our slides. It's gonna look like this: printing cryptos and printing money. Okay, guys, that's it. I'm gonna help you guys to turn smart. I already said that. Okay, skip that. Okay, I saw this. Results could could vary, guys. I showed you guys that depending on your timing, depending on your capital, depending on your coins, you can have different ones, right? You can get $28,000 profits in 30 days, or you can have $751 profit. All I'm saying is everything is a profit. 90 days, you can make 3,973. Some can make $1,000 in 30 days. It all depends on your capital. Okay, some lifetime can make $178,000 lifetime. Some can make 94. Some can make 2,792 lifetime. Some can make $26,000. It depends on how early you start. Here's another one, $26,000. You can see here a loss of $4. That's crazy. $25,000 gain and $4 loss. That's crazy. Some just screenshots here. Various results of people lifetime from 120K all the way to 347K and somewhere in between 20K, different accounts. Here's some just pictures of various of my members. I don't have enough time to read their testimonials, and some projection of my members from 6 figures, 100,000, 7 figures to 1 million, 8 figures to 10 million, up to 9 figures, 100 million. Like it here. Some like it here. I was nervous at first because oops, my bad. I forgot to say her name. Sorry, like LK here. I was nervous at first. I'm not tech savvy, but using Erwin's crypto bot strategy made it simple. I just pick a coin like XRP or Bitcoin, and the bot did all the buying and selling for me. No stress. Earn profits ranging from 2% to 13%. Reach an impressive 63% APY. Said it's very simple and easy to do. Felt the love of God throughout the process. God loves you, wants to bless you, even in your finances, LK said. And Hector over here, well, no, my mouse works. Hector over here says, from stuck to confident in 30 days. I already knew about crypto for years, but I wanted to level up. And when Erwin talked about trading bots, it clicked. Joined the Minas Academy after watching multiple 5-day challenges. Use crypto trading bots to generate monthly profits. Confidence in trading skyrocketed. And loved the daily prayers, Bible verses, and prophetic speakers. Felt spiritually and financially equipped for the wealth transfer. If you want to grow in crypto, faith and confidence, this is the place. You won't regret it. Okay, that's what Hector said. Guys, this is what I want to talk about. This is where the new AI-driven wealth engine. I'm trying to find words for this. It's an AI asset. But in this case, an AI-driven wealth engine that's reshaping how high-net entrepreneurs, smart investors build, protect, and multiply capital without becoming a trader. Pretty much this is for everybody. Everybody, entrepreneurs, high net individuals, smart investors, business owners, anybody that's focused on long-term generational wealth. Today, I just want to show you guys that if I can show you how to leverage a fully passive hedge fund grade A crypto, grade AI crypto trading system set up for you in under 48 hours after securing your digital Palau ID, that's already producing consistent compounding profits in real accounts without you watching charts, learning code, or risking compliance headaches. You'll see that there's no smarter way to grow and protect your wealth in today's economy. Okay, from the before and after is from zero to fully operational hedge fund grade AI trading in under 2 weeks. We're setting up people up under 2 weeks. If you're Canadian, in less than 48 hours. Your digital Palau, or if you're non-American, in under 48 hours. Your digital Palau premium AI bot configurations and profit compounding strategies set up 100% for you in just 48 hours after ID approval. Okay, this is it. My goal for this webinar is to show you consistently multiply your capital in crypto with hedge fund level precision is through the Minas automated investment machine system, a fully managed AI optimized trading system that adapts. I just shown you guys this. I really see the picture. Like we can see up to 40%. We saw 78%. Who here wants to double their money per month? Wave your hands at me. Like, I don't mind doubling my money per month. I can see this bot getting upgraded better and better. And I'm prophesying that we will do this. That this is like we'll have this, our own bot. This is not from us. We help you guys set it up. Unfortunately, this is not our product. It will soon be. In Jesus' name. Okay. And then the only way to unlock that level of performance without years of trial, error, and losses is through our flagship core offer stack. There is an offer after this webinar where we configure, launch, and compound your AI bot for you in under 48 hours. Okay, so who am I? My name is Erwin Garcia, born in the Philippines, came to Canada 1989, wanted to be full-time in the ministry without the church paying for me. I became an IT consultant instead. The Lord told me, take software engineering, University of Toronto, and I work for various retailers. You can look me up in my LinkedIn. And instead, God gives me a crypto dream. Long story cut short, it's about coins, and I opened up my first Coinbase account March 5th, 2014, and there I hit $4.56 million and helped 5 people so far known that's willing to be public, be financially free. Okay, so that's me. This is it. I think I share that, skip this. I'm going to skip all of this. I just wanted people to, like, I really want to pull people out of lack, out of poverty. Oops, I think my mic is clipping. Is it clipping, guys? Out of lack, out of poverty, out of like just this rat race. Who here is tired of the rat race? I'm tired of this rat race. Okay, working, taking 2 weeks of vacation, working for the government 4 to 6 months, guys. This whole rat race. I really want to pull people so that they walk in their calling. And this money is like a block. We got to figure this out. I believe it's simple. This is so simple. Multiplying money. I've been always in this. This is my goal. That was my goal, and I knew this is doable. It's possible. Just skip all these slides. Okay, I was like, wow, this is it. This AI trading bot is the way to go. Let me skip these slides. So this is it. The 3-part, the Minas automated investment machine plan. Simple. We tell you to secure your global identity with Digital Palau Fast Track in under 2 weeks. It's around $300. Okay, this is not to me. It's for the country of Palau, northwest of Australia. And then we set up your bots. We help you with the BitGet exchange, with the AI bot, and we set it up for you. All you do is you pick your coins, and then we help you compound it, protect it, all of that stuff. Simple, 3-part plan. Okay, I thought, okay, I'm going to skip to this one here. Yeah, I'm going to skip to all of these slides because we'll just jump straight to it. Okay, so the Minas AIM system, the automated investment machine. What else? Yes. Okay, so guys, a few slides here. You dream of having your capital work for you. Who here wants to put their money to work? Maybe ask me. I really want to put my money to work, like the parable of the Minas. Your mind has made more mana. You want it to compound like the ultra wealthy without being glued to the screens. Rose, you saw that, right? We were glued to the screens an hour earlier. We're like an hour and a half because we're doing manual trading as well. This is just beautiful. It looks like this. If you tried trading or bots before it didn't work, it's not your fault. Most systems are outdated, unproven, and not adaptive. Okay, you don't want to gamble your wealth or risk compliance headaches. You need safety, precision, and certainty. Okay, you've suspected that free bots and guru strategies don't actually deliver, and you're right, they aren't built to hedge fund standards. I love these AI pictures. Flourish, great job. The traditional financial system and old school trading methods are rigged to keep you stuck, while institutions, guys, did you know the ultra net worth had this already and they did not want to share? So that's very interesting. Very interesting, especially Jim Rocks. If we're going to create this bot, we got to pray for protection. Pray for protection. Okay, because they don't want you to have this. All right, so this is it. Without this, you're going to spend, you can go ahead and be there's a lot of professional traders, probably 3 years minimum, lots of hours, learn how to trade, courses, gurus, secret signals, trial and error, experts, 10 hours more. That's actually 40 hours watching charts and markets, stress over compliance. All of this, guys, man, so much Bitcoins and Ethereums and time wasted. I'm so happy I found this product. Now, let's go to it. Okay, I'm going to show you our Minas AIM system. By the way, Coach Isaac, let's rename that in school. I know we call it the CoinTech to you. Let's call it the Minas AIM system to match this webinar. Our automated investment machine uses AI-powered crypto bots to create hedge fund level precision. That's our membership. Okay, the automated investment, the AIM program. Okay, so 3 secrets. Guys, there's so many wealth paths. They all work. Guys, type in the chat. Just pick one. Just pick one, guys. They all work. Real estate, stocks, options trading, starting a business, buying a business, commodities, collectibles, whatever. Just pick one. I'm here to convince you this is the easiest one and this is the fastest one. Right? Cryptos has outpaced every asset class, every wealth path, hands down, since 2009. I asked you to challenge me and say, yeah, which one can beat that? With less time and less effort, cryptos is doing that. And in this case, now of an actual fully AI day trader, this is just ridiculous. Okay, so the vehicle is what? How to turn a free AI crypto bot into a hedge fund grade wealth engine without trading, guesswork, or Wall Street access is the first secret. The second secret of your internal beliefs. A lot of people are like, how to profit from crypto AI bots, even if you failed at investing before or you don't understand technology. You guys, you ride a plane, has an AI, you go to Walmart, Target, AI, the mall, AI, government buildings, AI. Right now, this is all full of AI. AI algorithms, AI in Facebook, AI in LinkedIn, AI in YouTube, AI in Twitter X, Instagram. AI is all over us. Okay. You don't need to understand everything, but here I'm going to show you guys that you just have to understand enough. And of course, the external factors. I showed you that how to safely compound and protect your wealth in crypto, even during market crashes or regulatory shifts. I am so pumped up that now the AI bot can handle beyond 9%, can handle 15 to 20% drawdowns. This is amazing. This is amazing. Okay, because like right now, that was the biggest drawdown ever, 120 to 105, Black Swan event, and the bot thrived like crazy. Okay, first secret, the wealth engine. Okay, guys, this whole wealth engine, I've been searching for years, teaching, refining, trying to create my own, spending Bitcoins, Ethereums for coaching programs. I'm trying to find the easiest way for wealth, Patreon programs, which I still do, YouTube, which I still do, students, guys, all the investment of cryptos I put in and time for this moment. I was like, finally, Lord, this is amazing. I didn't have the bot back then, the 4.56. Now it's like just crazy. And this is what's crazy. A lot of you is waiting, Lord, I just want to hit 1 million. I just need to hit 1 million. No, you don't. You can just do this with $27,000. Okay. I'm going to interrupt this with the compound interest calculator. Check this out, guys. I need to make $27,000 now. Okay. You're like, okay, let's go with most investors are between 5 to 15,000. I'm going to go with $10,000. You only have $20,000. We have the bot that makes 15%. $10,000. Who here wants to retire? Balance 10,025. Bam. Who here wants to retire in around 6 months? Wave your hands at me. Like 6 months if you're not retired. Guys, this is crazy. You can retire in 6 months with $10,000. Obviously, it's longer. And this is just crazy. In 5 years, you'll have 43 million. That's just crazy. Like now that's 150 times 43. But with $10,000 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, around 25,000, 6 or 7 months, 6.5 months, give or take. You run this bot, and guess what? Bam, you're making $4,000 per month, 4,000, 4,500, 5,200, and it grows. In 1 year, you're making 6,000. In 2 years, you're making $37,000 per month. In 3 years, you're making $200,000 per month. In 4 years, you're making, who here wants to make $1 million per month? This is crazy, guys. With $10,000 in this bot, you're making $1 million per month, and you have around 8 million. This is amazing. Okay, let's go back to my slides. Okay, this is exciting. Guys, proof, here it is. Proofs in the pudding. Various accounts, 20,000, right? BTC King, 20,407, rank 539. Crypto investor was skeptical about crypto bots, thinking they required advanced trading knowledge. After using the crypto AI bots, lifetime profits of $20,000, ranked top 600. confidently leveraging automation through growth, passively without watching chart. Coder, a lifetime value of, before looking for a way to grow capital through automation instead of manual trading. Guys, type in the chat. What did God do after creation, day 1 to 7? Okay. What did God do? In the beginning, God created the heavens and earth. Day 2, day 3, he created animals, land. What did he do in day 8? Okay, type in the chat. What did he do in day 8? Day 8. I want you guys to make this interactive. Okay. Welcome, Timothy. He copied. Rachel. He copied. Rachel, you gotta turn on your cameras, guys. Oh, I forgot to do this. I usually do this, guys. Anybody want to win XLM? Turn on your cameras, guys. Coach Isaac, if you don't mind turning on, monitoring 80% of the time. So Jeremy's turning on, and Steve turning on. If you want to win future price of 10,000 and up, 80% of your camera on, I will be giving out XLM today. Rose, he automated everything. Automation, guys. You breed automatically. Sun, where's my farmer at? Lori, farming. It's like automated rain, automated sun. So good. So in this case, he automated everything. So guys, type in the chat. He automates, so I automate. Woo! So good. Type in the chat. He automates, so I automate. Okay. There's Peter dropped by and Kerm. Welcome. There's some people in Instagram, Coach Isaac. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not, because it's myself. All right. So this is it. Coder automation accumulated $120,000, top 40 globally, confidently compounding wealth while freeing up time to focus on higher value opportunities outside of trading. Who here thinks my call, my destiny, my passion is a higher value opportunity? Wave your hands to me. Like, that's a higher value opportunity. That's what I wanted, right? So yes, Rachel. You automate, so I automate. You should automate everything. Okay, HS. Before, like many, HS wanted to participate in crypto without being glued to charts or worrying about high risk. After using the bot, generated, but mind you guys, these guys generated this. This is an outdated slide, I think 2 months before the new code. This is like running this with ChatGPT 1.0. We are now, the AI bot is now version 2.0. Imagine when this thing goes to like iPhone 17, iPhone 18. Where are we now? iPhone 18, something like that. We're ChatGPT 5 or 4 or 5. This is going to be crazy. Okay, ranked 35 globally. Imagine when me and Coach Jim Rocks get into this bot and improve it even more with the mind of Christ. Enjoys consistent growth and peace of mind while using, again, automation to scale wealth securely. Some of my members, guys, regular people. Here's Deborah, who is a writer from San Diego, who's traveled and lived in many places, such as the PNW, China, Germany, France, England. She's 19%. Beautiful. 19%. Test $20 to test it out. I did say 100, so not 20. To set XRP, this is a similar. It's not the actual full bot, but gain in 32 days. Learn how to do 20%. Okay, 50% annualized ROI. She's not even a trader. She's just a writer. I'm not saying she's just a writer. She's not a trader. She's an amazing writer. Thank you, Holy Spirit, for correction. She's gaining confidence in crypto, experiencing real growth, and even helping others in the community understand the power of grid bots. This isn't just tech. This is kingdom multiplication in motion. Denny, she's an actual expert. Started investing in trading stocks about 25 years ago. But why is he going to my program? Trading is hard. It is. Because if he is already well off, he probably won't go to the Minas Academy. Okay? My goal is to be a blessing to the body of Christ. Learn how to trade here. And you can see here, $25 per day, $750 per month, over $1,000, a 1,000% ROI. And you can see some screenshots of that one. Okay, LK. Oops, Coach Isaac, can you update that so it just says LK instead of her full name? Loves people, loves God, loves engaging heavens and mysteries of God. Musician, designer, minister in music, healing, deliverance, prophetic dream training. Who is not a full daytime day trader, is doing 13%. Okay. Crypto trading bots thought it would require technical skill, constant monitoring, or risky speculation. Using our program, 13% in 4 weeks. Just beautiful. Okay. Let me play some videos. Let me see here. I can play some videos. All right, here we go.
Hi, everybody. Blessing to you all. And I just want to make a short testimony. And I have been part of the Minas Academy crypto trading course. And we have been using crypto trading bot to trade cryptos. So that means we select a coin like a XRP or BTC Bitcoin, and then the bot will do the buying selling for us. That takes away a lot of the stress. And the profit so far has been from 2%, 4%, 5.5%, and then the largest one is 13%. And for the 13%, I got a APY that is 163%.
163.
And Erwin is very good in walking us through the process, how to set up the bot and discuss the strategy. And it's actually very simple and easy to do. So if you're concerned that you're not tech savvy, there's no problem, and everybody can do it. I just want to say that. And lastly, just want to let you know, remind you that God loves you very much, and He wants you to know that He loves you. He wants to bless you, and He is with you every moment. Yeah.
I just realized, Coach Famous, do you mind updating that so it says LK and the saving the LK? All right, let's keep going. Here's Hector. Hopefully this is good. All right, here's Hector. Also,
little bit of my testimony, how I got into the Minas Academy. And for a while, Erwin was doing like 5-day challenges, and I just kept watching them. Even though I already watched a lot of them, and I already knew about crypto, and for about 4 years already, and started investing. But then I wanted to go up higher, And so, anyways, one day when he was talking about trading bots, all that got my attention right away, because like I said, I wanted to start learning on trading and trading bots. And so let me show you a little bit of my screen and show you what I've done. This is how much I made for 30 days, and I'm excited because I think I'm going to start making more monthly. And it's at least I started, So, but what's nice about the Minas Academy, apart from everything else, is like we pray for each other. There's daily prayers. There's Bible verses. We're talking about wisdom and wealth. He has special speakers come in. He also has his wife on Wednesdays, and which is nice because it lifts everybody spiritually. She teaches, and just to let you know, it's like I'm getting a lot of confidence in trading and feeling prepared for this wealth transfer. So, but let me tell you this, everybody, if you want to learn crypto, grow in faith, and you want to join a community that wants you to succeed, check out Minas Academy. You won't regret it.
Awesome. And I just want to talk about Susan as well.
Let's see. The Pionex bot yesterday was I guess buy-in, and I think there was one BitGet bot that was selling, and the others were buying. Even though all four were that is the current price was within the parameters of all four, but 3 of them were red and 1 was green.
Sorry, that was a little bit too fast. How many green and how many red?
1 was green and 3 were red.
3 were red. So what we can do is, all I had in mind as well is to review the numbers. So if I can see the numbers, that would be great. Because as the profits are making, you can actually cash out the profits. And I do want to highlight this, that what's amazing is they're guaranteed to be green. Does that make sense? So as the price, if this is your range of your bot, as the price goes here, it's all green. Guaranteed. Does that make sense, Susan? If it's somewhere in here, definitely if it's down, if the price is below the range, that's a guaranteed red. And then of course, if it's somewhere here, depending on where it is, going up and down, buy low, sell high, buy low, sell high, it could be green. It also depends on where you enter, right? Where did you enter at that range, at that price? Does that make sense, Susan? Okay, so I just want to highlight that how with Susan, it's like temporarily red, and I just showed you eventually it'll be green, right? This is where just like Bitcoin temporarily went to 105, and it's going to go back. We're going to go back up, 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 up. Okay, so this works for pretty much everybody from entrepreneurs, smart investors, high net individuals, crypto newcomers. Okay, even when people have no knowledge of cryptos, they're like, I just want to retire off 27K. This is amazing. Literally, it takes 48 hours to set you up. Just to be on the safe side, it's actually really 15 minutes, and this is amazing. Professionals who wants to grow capital, focusing on what you want to focus on. Pretty much everybody. Let me just break some limiting beliefs. I love doing this because sometimes this could be some of you that's relating to this, right? So let me just make sure. Okay, so for instance, David, from gambling to guided growth, crypto is just luck and gambling. Okay, discovered that AI bots follow proven strategies, not chance. Okay, I shown you guys that almost 12 months of data. A lot of people was requesting for that one. I actually have data till 2022, but I don't want to bore you. Okay, I don't want to bore you with the data. I actually have data that the whole academy is green, right? Correct me if I'm wrong, Coach Isaac, Coach Jim Rocks, Coach John. The whole academy is green. No one, from my understanding, has reported that they are red from our AI trading bots. I was scared. I'm being so truthful of that black swan event of the Chinese trade wars with tariffs, and I was like, this is amazing. So saw steady compounding returns with clarity and peace. Sarah, the time strap entrepreneurs. I don't have time to trade or watch chart. That's why I'm so excited about this. Her AI bot ran 24/7 while she focused on her business. Added a new stream of income without sacrificing her schedule. John, the Wall Street outsider, wealth building is only for the elite. Let's just laugh at that. Realization is the AI levels the playing field. No broker or insider access needed. His small start grew into hedge fund like performance. Hannah, fear of losing everything. Next time I should put some pictures. The market are too volatile. The markets are too volatile. It is. That's why I'm so excited. I'll lose it all. Let's jump here again, guys. This is crazy. I mean, from 122 down to 102, that's scary, right? And it's like up and down, left and right. Like you can see here. Okay, you can see here 126 down to 108, 126 down. This is crazy. This is a black swan event. In the past, the bot couldn't handle this, but it has learned, and that's amazing. In this case, the bot had built-in risk controls and strategy, grew her account by 30% while sleeping at night in peace. Peter, the non-techie skeptic. Hey, Peter. I'm not tech savvy enough to use AI, guys. The setup is 15 minutes. Okay, if you're non-American, you just need to get the ID. It takes 2 weeks, but it really takes 15 minutes to set this up. Guided, no coding required, confidently running his portfolio with zero tech overwhelm. Ruth, I'm too late, doubter. I missed Bitcoin early. I hear that a lot, so it's too late for me. The AI bots profit in any market cycle. I'm like, wow, this is crazy, right? I have some members have ran this since when this was first created, 2022, December. And it's been 3 years almost, and it's been running. Any market cycle, bull, bear, or sideways, results entered during uncertainty and still grew her wealth steadily. Mark, faith and finance barrier. Crypto doesn't align with my values. The realization side as a stewardship tool for multiplying resources. Result, use growth to support his family and mission causes. This is so amazing. On another side note, I just want to share this. I remember I shared this to Will Hart of Iris Ministries. I told him, my students, myself, can do $96,000 a day. And we're getting close to this. We're getting close to this. Yes, Josh just said, forget it. I think Josh is a little bit behind. Okay, use growth to support. Yeah, I said that. Lydia, the legacy thinker. This won't last. this just hype. Guys, this has been around. Even the birth of the internet, this has been around, and computers. But only the rich people have this. This is going to be forever. Guys, type in the chat, AI cryptos forever. I believe this is the technology of heaven. There's technology in heaven. Artificial intelligence, software, cryptos, blockchain. Okay? It's just like realization. Understood blockchain. Actually, it won't last. My bad. Correction. New heaven, new earth. And then I'm just wondering, right, Steve, what is it? It's like, is God going to create everything back again? But he didn't say new heaven, new earth. I believe AI technology, blockchain technology can be here, new heaven, new earth. Anyways, realization, understood blockchain as the new financial infrastructure, results building generational wealth with confidence for her kids. And guys, here it is. The new belief, the new truth is wealth creation is no longer locked behind Wall Street, hedge funds, or elite insiders. AI powered crypto bots aren't gambling. They're built on strategies that have been tested, optimized, and continues to be so, and proven, running 24/7 with precision no human can match. Okay? AI is faster than humans. The undeniable truth is this: anyone, no matter your age, background, or experience, can now harness the same tools that once belonged only to hedge funds. This isn't about trading, guessing, or stressing. It's about letting technology work for you, compounding your capital, protecting your downside, and positioning you for generational wealth. Okay, secret number 2. You guys still okay? Because I'm not. I need to feed off your energy. All right, secret number 2. A lot of people have that beliefs inside. They're like, is this going to work? I'm hearing it in my one-on-ones, in the coaching programs. What if the AI failed? Guys, I just want to use this story. Okay. I found out the airplane takes off and lands with AI technology. Okay. Not that the AI controls the plane, but the pilot and the co-pilot controls the AI, and the AI controls the plane. You control the AI, and the AI controls your portfolio and multiplies it for you, but you are in control. Guys, type in the chat, I control the AI. I control the AI. A lot of people don't understand it. They think the AI has a mind of its own and it's going to drive the plane like 9/11 to the buildings. No. You control the AI. You can take profits anytime you want. You can stop the bot. You can do whatever you want. The AI doesn't override you. All the AI can do is what you told it to do. In this case, hey, I want you, AI, to in this case, I want you to be an AI day trader, trade 24/7. Okay. So secret number 2 is how to profit crypto AI bots, even if you fail at investing or trading before you don't understand the tech. Okay. So a lot of people don't understand the tech. I'm just going to skip all over this. Knowing AI and automation since year 2000, trading crypto since 2014, trial and error, the time, the cryptos, collapse the time. Like I want to collapse the time for you to be financially free. Okay. Before, years of trading, glued to screens, lose sleep, self-doubt, frustrated. Now we don't need to do that. What did I want to say here? I want to say something here. Okay, who here wants to collapse the time to be financially free? Wave your hands to me. I want to collapse the time to be financially free. Guys, I've seen every wealth path under the sun. I myself have coaching programs in real estate, in options tradings, in stocks, in commodities, in business. Guys, I've seen every wealth path under the sun. I mean, even the hidden ones, because I am in a part of a mastermind of entrepreneurs, Facebook stuff, LinkedIn stuff. Guys, this is the fastest and the easiest, right? Cryptos. All right, so I said that already. Okay, some results. Okay, let's keep going. Dato, Fateh, Risky. Okay, believe crypto trading required years of experience in constant monitoring. Yes, it is. That's manual crypto trading. But the AI trading bot, bam, 133,884 in profits. Top 40 worldwide among active users, enjoyed automated growth with peace of mind, proving that AI-powered trading can outperform traditional methods. Another one, On God One, thought large-scale crypto growth was only possible for hedge funds or professional traders. These are regular people, guys. generated $140,000 in profits, ranked top 30 worldwide, experienced exponential returns with automation. Guys, type in the chat exponential compounding. Ooh, that's a good word. Actually, let's use 3 words. Exponential compounding automation. They're so big words. Exponential. I should type it there. My coaches will type it. Exponential compounding automation. This is what's happening here, guys. This is what's happening. The earlier you start, the earlier you compound. Okay, so here's another one. Success team. Believe it would take an entire trading team. That was my idea to generate consistent profits in crypto. Who here wants an AI trading team? Wave your hands at me. Oh my gosh, I'm going to have an AI trading team. The AI, you can have an access per account, 5 AI traders. That's amazing. So that's why I have one set up for me. I have one set up for my wife. I have one set up for all my 7 kids. It's so cool. Okay, generated 176,664 in profits, ranked top 20, operating as a true success team powered by automation, proving that AI bots can outperform manual strategies at scale. Rose was here earlier. Not sure if Rose is still here. Oh, Rose is on dial in. Rose, retired teacher, wanting to prepare for wealth transfer to further God's kingdom. Rose here, nervous about crypto bots, unsure if small investments could actually grow if she lose money quickly. I'm just showing you guys. I don't have updated testimonials of the updated bots, but I'm going to show you guys results of our current students now. Started with $15. Right now, the starting capital is now $100. In XLM, $9.45. In one day, 1% profit. This is amazing. We can see that. We can see this happening. I think that October 10, you saw that 50%. Who here wants to make 50% in one day? 50% one day. I'm like, man, that's crazy in October 10. And another side note, I'm going to interrupt here. If you go to your browser and you type in Bitcoin rainbow chart, if you type that in Bitcoin rainbow chart, you'll see this. Guys, we are in our projected high. Guys, post in the chat. AI loves volatility. AI loves volatility. It's not good when it's just like boring, like crypto winter or nothing's happening. AI loves this. And that's why I'm so excited. Even though we're saying 15%, guys, type in the chat, up to 30%. The AI could go up to 30%. It actually was higher. In fact, I mean, that's actually incorrect. We actually saw 72%. Just type in the chat because we saw it. Up to 72% per month. This is nuts. If you had this set up already a month ago, you would have made 72%. So that's just so cool. All right, let's go back to the slides. Rose here. Rose has so many in here. I'm just going to flash through that. She's amazing. She's an amazing student. 252% APR. Just beautiful here. 1.88% return, almost 1% per day. That's just so cool, Rose. Keep it up. Great job, Rose. And this is like semi-passive. She's just learning. She's amazing, Rose. I'm so proud of you. And thank you for always your support. Always on this, always learning. You're going to crush it. Okay. I think I'm going to open this up. I think this was Aaron. Aaron was crushing it here. Aaron here. Oops. Can you fix that? Coach, guys, can we fix this somehow? July 22. Can you make Coach John can make a update to change that? Okay, so Aaron made 137 more XRP. Who here wants to make another extra 137 XRP? That's cool. That's what we do in Academy. 31%, 30%, 9%, 31%, 40%. Just crushing it, Aaron. 31%. So good. Okay, let's go back to here. I think I have some more videos. Here's Hector again, crushing it. 147%, 157%, 124%, 95%, 391%. He's just crushing it. Hector also is just crushing it. Rose Sellers, how about you? How's it going with your bots, Rose?
I closed mine out.
Okay.
Okay, because I want to try that reverse.
And did you close when it was all in profit? It was all green.
Oh, yeah, I closed them when they were profiting. And I haven't done anything right now because I was on my phone yesterday with all the classes. My laptop went out, and my technician is fixing it. And so he lent me, or he sold me this one. It's a used Pro Mac Pro.
Cool.
So
And then
now I'm gonna have two. I'm gonna use this one for my trading, and I'm gonna use the other one for everything else.
So good. Let's keep going. What else do we have here? Thank you, Rose. Oops, my slides. Oh, I have to go there. Click here. Hector. I think we played already. Hector. Okay, I think we have no more videos here. Okay, so pretty much the secret number 2 is for everybody, guys. Man, I'm missing almost 2 more videos. You guys can search me out in Google, Facebook, and YouTube. So many testimonials in there. You guys can see from our investing students to our trading students to our AI trading students. But pretty much this is for everybody. I've seen them all, guys, from grandmas, grandpas, wives, husbands, children. It's just so good. Everybody. Hey, guys, let me break some beliefs. I love doing this to see what you guys, which person you resonate to. Okay, so Ruth, the skeptical investor, I don't have the discipline or skill to succeed in crypto. Let's just laugh at that. Ruth discovered the Minas automated investment machine trading program removes the guesswork. The bot trades with rules, not emotions. She grew steadily month after month without needing to be disciplined. Deborah, the overwhelmed newcomer. Guys, we have some people who have the bots and it's like they just forget about it, go to vacation and do their own thing. But here, Deborah, crypto is just too complicated for me. She realized the system broke things down. Armina's AIM system, 3 simple steps: the ID, the bot, and compound. Okay, she grew her portfolio 22% in 3 months, spending less than 10 minutes per day. Let's keep going. Naomi, the fearful investor. Okay, guys, type in the chat. How many times did it say in the Bible to fear not? I like always saying this because I actually want to encourage myself. How many times in the Bible does it say fear not or don't fear? Guys, type in the chat, making sure you guys are still here with me. Drum roll. The answer is yes, Rachel. 1 for each day. So this is so cool. So Anna, Naomi now is not being fearful. What if I lose everything? What if you gain everything? Oh, wrong questions, wrong answers. Naomi saw that risk wasn't eliminated, but minimized through the AIM safeguards like compounding and capital protection. Instead of panic, she had peace. Gains came steadily without emotional stress. Who here wants like JP Morgan, Fidelity, Charles Schwab, Bank of USA kind like of protection? Wave your hands at me. Like, I want that kind of protection. We have it. We have it. We figured it out. It has to do with putting every security into place in our BitGet, including our palm print, and having to do with a whitelist way of you can only withdraw to this specific wallet. We figured out a way to make this bulletproof. So now our members are pushing to the 10K level, 20K, 30K, and up to the 100K level. So it's really cool. I was like, I got to figure this out. I was like, people are putting in 100,000, 500,000, $1 million into Charles Schwab. Why can't they put it on this bot? Because they're fearful they're going to lose it. So what do we do to protect it? Put all the security into place. I think it was like fingerprint, face, palm, and then now we put in what do you call that? Whitelist. This whitelist of only these addresses you can withdraw. So even if should your account be compromised, okay, because what crypto's transactions is irreversible, but if your account gets compromised, if they try to withdraw, they can't because they need your palm print, you need your face, and in this case, there's only a specific withdrawal address that you only can set. They cannot set unless you say so. And then there's a cooldown period of like a few days. So that's so cool. What else? I think I said the fearful investors. Instead of panic, she had peace. Gains came steadily without emotional stress. Anna, the retired professional. I'm too old to learn this. Guys, type in the chat. I'm like, type in the chat. Type in the chat. I am so tired. Type in the chat. Age of AI and crypto. We are in the age of AI and crypto. If you like, just made that same statement, I'm too old for the internet and smart devices. We were in the world of internet smart device. Get on with it. Everybody learned it. We are in the age of crypto and AI. It's not going anywhere. It's just going to accelerate everything. Anna found that she didn't need to learn crypto. You don't need to learn crypto, guys. We just have to set it up for you. The framework automated it. She grew her retirement account by 30% in 6 months. Who here doesn't want to worry about running out of money in retirement? Wave your hands at me. Like, I don't want to worry about running money out. We have it, guys. We have it. It's like, wow. Like, you have $1 million. You're going to put 27K. Let's say you put in 200K. Who here is good with $4,000 per week? That's not bad. Anybody okay with $4,000 per week? That's not bad, right? This is like, wow. And you don't need to put that $1 million in there. So let's keep going. Elizabeth, the busy professional. I don't have time for crypto. Guys, type in the chat. Sow time, make time. Sow time, make time. Okay, it's a seed. Sow money, produce money. It's a seed. Okay, I'm not saying give us your whole life, give us all your money. I'm just saying sow a portion of that, a seed of that. Okay, I don't have time. You make time for what's important. Elizabeth, as she realized the Minas automated investment machine program worked in the background, she only needed to check in occasionally. 25% growth in 4 months while running her business full time. Esther, the cautious investor. I don't trust automation with money. Might as well live in a cave, guys, because AI is everywhere. Automation is everywhere. Esther realized AIM, automated investment machine program, wasn't replacing her control. It was empowering her with oversight and protection. I told you guys, you are in control of the AI. AI doesn't have a control of you or your portfolio. You have control of your portfolio. And you're giving it temporarily to the AI just to trade, not to withdraw, okay? 40% growth in 5 months while still feeling safe and in control, okay? A few more. Leah, the over-researcher. I do have to do all my own research. Guys, you don't need to research everything in a plane, everything in your car, everything in Walmart. Guys, you know it works. You just need to know it works. AI bots has been around. You don't need to do that. They discovered that the framework AI condensed what used to take hours into minutes, save 3+ hours a day, and still improve results. Martha, the legacy builder, crypto won't last. It's just a fad. She realized digital wealth creation is here to stay, and the Minas AIM program is the vehicle to grow it safely. 35% growth in 6 months, now building a long-term legacy portfolio. All right, guys, so the new belief to break, guys, is wealth creation isn't about being a tech expert or a perfect investor. It's about plugging into a proven framework that removes overwhelm, lets automation work for you. You don't need to learn every chart, coin, or code. You need years of experience, just a willingness to follow a simple framework. Even if you failed before, success is possible when you remove human error and let automation compound wealth for you. The truth is, it's not about you doing the work. It's about the system working for you. Guys, type in the chat, AI working for me. AI working for me. AI working for me. And with that being said, the last secret, okay, external factors that you're worried about, okay, market crashes, okay, how to the external safety net with this program, how to safely compound and protect your wealth in crypto, even during market crash. We saw it, okay, the China Truth Social comment, October 10th, 450, I think. The bot loved that. Instead of a 10% loss, maximum gain, and then now instead of 10% stop loss is like around 1%. Okay, temporarily. Many people, let's skip that. So guys, I mentioned to you guys, I've been doing cryptos for 11 years since 2014, AI and automation for 25 years. I've seen everything under the sun in terms of cryptos and AI. And I actually learned this concept of, like, even I did crypto mining, and I knew how this concept of just money producing in your backyard, in your computer, in your laptop, that was so cool. And I've already mentioned how I hit $4.56 million and help others be financially free. This is really, really cool now. Manuel Johnson said, get the van. We have a $100,000 Mercedes Sprinter. Crypto paid for that. That was so cool. Freezer. This is outdated because we all ate the meat. We have to buy another cow. That's so cool. I think we got like 3 freezers. That's so cool. Ability to travel. I just came from California. My wife is already planning another California trip January. We're already planning to go to North Carolina. Sometime soon. On January, actually. Perfect. And then probably Florida and California, probably Arizona. Just the ability to travel whenever the Lord tells us. There's a picture of my 7 kids, my wife and I, and our 7 children. Guys, this is possible. Who wants this? Who wants to be able to travel, not worry about transportation, not worry about food, be able to do whatever God tells him to do? Wave your hands at me. Like, I just want this. Like, I don't have to worry about all of this stuff. That's even in the fact that the Lord says, don't worry about some things because you're so precious. But because people perish for lack of knowledge, they don't know that this exists. This wealth path is possible. It's possible for you, right? And we see that with Black Dra. Okay, believe only professional traders with years of experience can consistently win in volatile crypto markets. After using the bot, number 3 position, 252, 643,000 in profits, ranking 3rd worldwide, crushing global leaderboards, showing how AI automation can outperform even elite traders, unlocking hedge fund style results without stress of manual trading. Okay, mass top futures. Believe serious crypto profits required years of expertise, non-stop trading, and constant monitoring of the markets. After using the crypto AI bot, generated 254,621 in profits, ranking number 2 worldwide, position among the global top performers, leveraging AI-powered automation to achieve hedge fund level results without manual trading, guesswork, or burnout. And Leonardo Capitani, where's Raymond? That sounds like you, Raymond. Like Raymond, that sounds like you. Maybe I'm prophesying. Thought only Wall Street insiders and big institutions could generate massive crypto profits at scale. After using the crypto AI bot, generated 347,468 USD in profits, ranking number 1 pro worldwide. Josh is saying, can you show us the bot? I think I showed it already. I'll show it again. Leading the global rankings. I think I'm going to show that a little bit. Okay, might as well show the bots. Here's Michael trading for him, crushing it. Okay, pretty much 151% APR, 195. Okay, 163 in profit with $100. These bots work like harvesters in the background while I focus on kingdom work. Lisa, just a girl. Oops, need a drink. One more drink. Okay, should always have water here. Okay, just a girl who loves Jesus, entrepreneur, and loving mom. Crushing it. Okay, crushing it here. It's tiny, but gains. 2%, 1,000% APR, 479% APR. Neo, I want to learn. Okay, 2.31%. I want to highlight the 500% APR. Okay, the 500% APR, really cool. Some videos. I got you, Josh, to show you the bot. So, Cindy, you're running an exchange. You're running a Pionex account already, so that's good. My goodness, Cindy, yes.
I got 2 going.
Oh my gosh. Okay. Coin. So same thing. She made. Look at this. She made 5 profitable trades in today, so far in 24 hours, and in all total, she made 21 profitable trades. And once again, the moment she put in 100 to 119, the moment this surpasses 119, Cindy, this is all profits, right? If you close this right now, obviously you can lose this. So that's why do not close this. You just have to be patient. And in this case, that's simple. So thank you for sharing this, Cindy. All right, let's keep going. Okay, I think I'm going to show you guys the results. All right, I'm going to show some of the results. Then I will break some beliefs. Josh, as you're asking in here, the bots, okay, because you ask, you shall receive. I'm going in my BitGet exchange. Okay, share screen, stop sharing screen, share screen, window. There it is. Okay, so here's the bot in action. I think I gotta update that there. All right, so here's the bot in action. This is a BitGet exchange. It is like a Coinbase, but you can't do this in Coinbase because Coinbase is not good enough. If you go to coinmarketcap.com, you can see the exchanges. The AI trading bot runs in these top 4 exchanges: Binance Global, Bybit, not Coinbase, not Upbit, OKX, and BitGet. We teach you how to get BitGet with the digital Palau. Okay, so BitGet is this exchange. I'm going to go to my actual account. Okay, I'm going to go for my first. Okay, where are you? There it is. Here is one. Here is the AI bot in action. Okay, this is so amazing. All right, as you can see in this AI bot, what do you see? Drum roll, bam. What do you see, guys? Type in the chat. How many profitable trades and how many non-profitable trades? Type in the chat. Okay, how many profitable trades? Let's make it easy for you guys. 309 profitable trades. How many losing trades? Type in the chat. 0. Okay, so this is amazing. Dean, they outdid Nancy. Okay, so check this out. Here it is in action. So Josh, you're asking. So here it is. Here's XLM. What does it do? It opens a position. XLM. It bought 69 XLM at 33.7 cents. All right. Oops. 37.7 cents. Okay. And notice buy low at 33.7 cents, sell high at 34.1 cents. And notice 4:35 a.m. I ain't awake. I am sleeping. Okay. I am sleeping during that time. Same thing with Sandbox, automatically 22.6 cents to 23. There it is. Shiba Inu 107.33 to 108.44. Buy low and sell high automatically as much as you want. There it is. It's just crushing it there. There it is. What else do you want to see, Josh? Let me know where it is. That's the bot running behind the scenes. You probably want to see like the open positions. Okay, let's go with open positions. So let me go with my future trades. Here's my futures trading account. There it is. You can see here, there's all the various orders. Okay, you can see here. Can I drag this up or not? Okay, so you can see here, there's all the different orders. You can see here, I got Filecoin up, already positioned. Filecoin, by the way, it does both buy low and sell high buy low automatically. So you can see here, long means buy low, sell high. Here it's sell high is buy low. I did not place this trade. How can I even prove this? Order history. Let's see if I can prove this here. Order details, transaction history. October 16th, 4 o'clock. There it is. There's proof, guys. I was here with you guys. I was teaching. I've been teaching right now for an hour and 27 minutes. The webinar started at 3 o'clock. This did a trade at 4 o'clock. This did another trade at 3:39. Okay, another one. Okay, this one. I guess these two. Okay, I was here with you guys. Wasn't I here? What was I doing, guys, at 3:39 and 4 o'clock today? Say webinar. Type in the chat, guys. Webinar. That's what I was doing. I wasn't doing a trade. And you can see here, the AI did the automatic trade in Filecoin and Tia coin automatically. Okay. Okay, there it is. The bot does it automatically. And as you can see here, I want to show it again. Profit and loss statements. Beautiful. You can kind of see trading analysis. 309 profitable trades. You can just see it there. You can see this beautiful spike at October 10. $64 made. Woo, the AI loved that. Okay, Tia is flying at $34. There it is, Tia coin. So I'm doing the bot with Tia, Filecoin, Sand, XLM, and Shiba Inu. Okay, so that's what I'm doing. Okay, hopefully that is cool. Yes, Joshua, there it is. All right, let me go back to my slides. Let me break some beliefs, guys. This is so amazing. Share screen. Ooh, need to breathe. I think I'm under the weather. In Jesus' name be healed, Erwin. Okay. All right. Let me break some beliefs. Guys, a few beliefs I want to break. Deborah, the waiting wife. Some of you guys might be waiting on the Lord, waiting for the Lord. Guys, here's the answers. Like, guys, type in the chat. The wait is over. Type in the chat. I like three words. Wait is over. Okay. Deborah, the waiting wife. My husband doesn't support crypto. I'll just wait, guys. Ask your spouse for support, not permission. Okay, because you answer to the Lord. Your spouse is supposed to be there not to control you, but to support you. Okay, a helpmate. Deborah realized the Lord had given her stewardship and she didn't need permission to move forward in obedience. She started with just $100, launched her first bot, and now her husband is asking her how to start this. Naomi, number 2, the retired widow. I've missed my chance. It's too late for me to invest. Guys, post in the chat, not too late. Not too late. Not too late. The sooner the better, guys. Naomi saw that God often moves in famine and chaos. You wish you had this on. My members did. My members had this on October 10th. I'm so happy, and I'm trying to invite you guys in for this. Just like he did with Joseph in Egypt, she grew her savings by 27% in a down market, and now teaches younger women how to multiply in crisis. What else do I have in here? Oh wow, so much in here. Okay. Okay, David, the skeptical trader. If the market crashes, I'll lose everything. David realizes bots buy low, sell high, buy low automatically, protecting him during volatility. In fact, you have both buy low, sell high, and sell high both. Same time, it's a hedging bot. Earn 12% profit in the down market instead of panicking. Sophia, the busy professional. I don't have time to watch charts all day. Automation work while she worked her 9 to 5. Guys, I was in California for 2 weeks. This helped a lot on the funds for California. In fact, it paid the majority of that. Okay, Raj, compounded 22% growth in 4 months with less than 15 minutes per day. Raj, the risk-averse investor. Crypto's too unstable. I'll wait for it until it's safer. AI bots provide consistent, low-risk returns compared to risky manual trading. Okay, saw steady 8% monthly gains even during news-driven dips. I have a friend who is a professional day trader who has a day trading coaching program who said, Erwin, this is better than me. In fact, he's the one who introduced this to me, and he's put in like, I don't know, like a lot of his money in here. Probably, I think he said like, I don't know if it's like 1/5 or something like that. 1/5 of his funds in here, 6 figures. And he's from the Philippines. So that's really cool. That's a lot of money. Okay, Maria, the small starter, belief to break. I don't have enough money to invest. Guys, right now it's around 100 to be automated compounding bonds. She turned 100 to 240 over 6 months without stress. James, the overthinker, belief to break. I need to understand every technical detail first. AI handles complexity. He just needed to follow the framework. Runs 3 bots confidently without being techie. Aisha, 3 more guys. Aisha, the fearful follower of news. Belief to break. Markets and politics are too unstable to invest now. She realized this is why we need the AI. She realized fear-based waiting was costing her compounding opportunities. Bots, the AI created steady profits regardless of headlines. Another one, Ken, the legacy builder. Crypto is a gamble. It won't last long term. He saw AI bots as a hedge fund grade system for generational wealth. Anybody here wants generational wealth? Like, I want generational wealth. I really want you guys to see what we have in our hands. Built a portfolio for his kids, growing steadily, even in volatile markets. Lastly, Olivia, the perfectionist. I'll wait for the perfect market entry. The bots thrive. Guys, type in the chat. Any market. Okay, bull, bear, sideways, flash crash, flash peak, adjustments. Waiting was the real risk. Wow. Waiting was the real risk. That's so good. Finally started and compounded 35% growth in 5 months. So guys, results vary. Past performance doesn't guarantee future performances. This secret number 3, guys, the new belief: you don't need perfect timing, permission, or stable market to grow wealth. With crypto AI bots, volatility isn't a threat, it's a blessing. Okay, so that's it, guys. This is it. The 3 secrets, the AI wealth vehicle. This is new, guys. I'm trying to find new words for this. It's like an AI digital asset. It's like, wow, this is a digital asset. You have these bots like an asset to an asset that can produce. I'm going to probably reword this, but AI wealth vehicle, AI digital asset, how to turn a free AI crypto bot into a hedge fund grade wealth engine without trading guesswork or Wall Street access. Secret number one. Secret number two for internal limits. How to profit from crypto AI bots, even if you failed at investing before, you don't understand the technology. Secret number three is external safety net. How to safely compound and protect your wealth in crypto, even during market crashes or regulatory shifts. Guys, if you follow the crypto AI bot wealth framework that we're presenting here, then you can build automated, stress-free wealth that compounds safely without needing trading skills, perfect timing, or market certainty. Okay, I am done. It's not too late. Any market, not too late. Good. Rose Rena is there. Who here is feeling this? Fire hose. Fire hose. Me. I'm feeling a little bit of fire hose. Okay, there's a lot of information. Does anybody want to know how to? I think most of you guys are members here. Who here is not a member? Type in the chat. Type in the chat if you're already a member. A lot of numbers here. Type in the chat if you're a member already. Type in 2 if you're not a member. Okay, Jeremy's not a member yet. I'm seeing a lot of members in here. Okay. I saw your message, Famous. So let's do a test on that one, Famous, next time. It might be coming out of my mic. Okay, we have a lot of members in here. I guess, Jeremy, this is only for you. I think I'm seeing all members are in this call. I'm not sure if Rena's a member or Josh is a member. We invite you. I'm inviting you. And Robert, I'm inviting you guys to our membership program. If you want more of hand holding, step by step, I just have a little bit of questions, guys. So I'm just gonna go through this. Give me another 30 minutes or so. Ooh, how much time? I did an hour and a half. Was this supposed to be an hour? An hour and a half. Okay. Oh, Yvonne. Hey, Yvonne. Okay, Josh. I hope you guys join. This is our Minas AIM program, the Minas Automated Investment Machine program. Write me in the chat if this is you. You want a proven, done-for-me AI crypto system since 2022, so I don't waste years guessing elite strategies that wealthy insiders use to scale their portfolios. You want a clear roadmap to millionaire status without endless trial and error. This is amazing, guys. Literally, like, wow, you don't need $1 million. You just need 27,000. And some of you guys have access to that. Okay. I'm trying to get my USA LLC so I can get more. And I know I can get more than 27K. Some of you guys have that house, get a HELOC. Some of you guys have that in your visa, like crazy. Write me in the chat. This is also you don't have technical expertise to configure AI systems. I'm worried I'll set it up wrong and lose money. I don't think I can manage multiple bots or strategies on my own. For that, guys, we already have the configuration pack. There is 3 AI strategies called Bull AI for more of a bull strategy, AI strategy more steady, and then Millionaire 9 where it's more compounding, more faster profits, frequency of profits. Okay, so trial and error plus insider access. Replicating these strategies and configuration can take years of study, tens of thousands in mistakes, and insider connections that aren't publicly available. Okay, you'll get your AI trading system professionally configured with the Bull AI precision backed by 9 millionaire strategies. This ensures your setup is optimized for maximum compounding, risk reduction, and scaling into high net worth wealth brackets. Okay. All right. So Robert W said, I had no idea how to set up bots, but this pack, I'm just going to move a little bit back. I just realized this thing is so bright. I'm going to go back. Oops, crushing my table. I have this table that goes up and down. All right. I'm going to go a little bit back because that thing is so bright in my eyes. Okay. I had no idea how to set up bots, but this pack gave me a millionaire level system in days, not years. Faster setup of millionaire strategies, easier risk management, better long-term compounding results. Step-by-step, done-for-you premium configuration eliminates tech overwhelm. Okay, it's kind of like your Tesla and you just want the best of your Tesla. That's what we're doing because the Tesla could drive itself, but sometimes you don't know the bells and whistles of a Tesla AI car. Without this, you'll spend years and likely lose thousands trying to configure the bots yourself while missing the biggest wealth window of this decade. This premium pack is essential for anyone serious about reaching millionaire status with AI trading. The live premium Pack Bull AI strategy, and Millionaire 9 is a 34, 4, 9, and 7 value. So what you're going to get in our Minas AIM system is the live premium configuration pack Bull AI strategy, Millionaire 9, valued at 34, 4, 9, 7. Okay. I still have to update this. Now you have this item. You now have a premium AI system set up like the wealthy insiders. What's the next step, guys? A lot of Americans don't have access to this. If you're non-American, you have access to this. You need a global trading profile to actually access these markets. So write me in the chat if this is you. You want a global identity to unlock new markets. I want frictionless access to international trading accounts. You want security and legitimacy for wealth building journey. What's happening with my mic? Okay. Write me in the chat. This also sounds like you. You don't understand how global ID works. Isn't this too complicated or risky? I'm not sure I'll qualify for international platforms. This mic, maybe I have to go clip again. Okay, so for that, guys, we have our digital Palau fast track and global trading profile set up. Maybe I have to go closer again. Forward, backwards. My mic is not acting up. Okay, so this takes legal connections, compliance, navigation, and global expertise that most investors can't access on their own. We'll fast track your digital Palau ID and set up your global trading profile. We actually have connections with Palau. This is so cool. So you can trade internationally, access unique crypto opportunities, and operate with legitimacy across borders. By the way, Palau is northwest of Australia. I've never thought I'd be able to open global accounts. This made me feel like a true global investor. Sharon L. Faster account access, better compliance, easier international scaling. Okay, by the way, American exchanges, guys, type in the chat. American exchanges suck. Sorry, guys. I just have to say that. We give you access to non-American exchanges because the American exchanges suck. It's hard to say it. They're nothing compared to the Binance, the OKX, the BitGet, and the Bybit. Okay, we handle the assistance of paperwork and setup for you. Without this, you're locked into domestic restriction. Without this, you're stuck with Coinbase. You're stuck with no crypto bots. Miss global opportunities worth millions. Global markets, the other crypto exchanges, the difference between local profits and global wealth. Okay, digital Palau fast track and global trading profile setup, 4997 in value. So now you get the live premium configuration pack, 34497 value. The digital Palau fast track global trading profile, 4997 value. We got to fix that. It's around 38,000. Now that you have that item, you now have global access. You still need your bots fully deployed so your capital compounds automatically. Write me in the chat, guys. Who here wants their bots set up and running immediately? Who here wants zero downtime between decisions and execution? Who here wants professionals to handle deployment so I don't make mistakes? Right? Just like you setting up your internet. You just want a done for you. Set up my internet. Set up my Starlink, Elon Musk internet. Right? Also, is this, let me in the chat. This is you. You don't think you can set up bots correctly. You're worried you'll waste money on wrong configuration, and you're not tech savvy enough to do this under 2 days. For that, we have the 48-hour full bot deployment service. Without our expert help, bot deployment can take weeks or months. We've seen that of trial, risking costly errors. Our team deploys your bot within 48 hours, ensuring your system is live, optimized, and compounding wealth from day one. By the way, it's 15 minutes. We just had the 40 hours to try to schedule a time with you. I was up and running into 2 days flat. If I tried on my own, I'll be stuck watching YouTube videos. David H. Faster deployment, better bot performance, easier wealth compounding. I was like, is it raining? We'll deploy it all. You simply watch your dashboard go live every day. Without deployment is miss compounding growth. Who here doesn't want to miss this? Like, I can't miss this. I can't miss this. I need this thing deployed now. That's what we have this thing set up. Immediate deployment means your portfolio compounds today, not someday, especially that October 10. The 48-hour full bot deployment service, 497 value. Now you're going to get the configuration pack, 34497 value. The digital Palau fast track, 4997 value. The 48 full bot deployment service, 4597 value. That's around 44K. Now you have the bots running 24/7. Amazing. Who here wants a blueprint to scale and safely compound wealth? Write me in the chat if you want your wealth to multiply safely and consistently. You want a simple path to financial freedom. How do we go backwards to that 27K? You want to protect gains while growing long-term. Write me in the chat. This is also you. You don't know how compounding works with bots. You're afraid to reinvest profits incorrectly. I've never had a proven system for long-term wealth. For that, we have the compounding blueprint. This knowledge comes from years of trial, real-world data, multi-million-dollar investor experience. A step-by-step blueprint show you how to compound your crypto safely, multiply your profits, and protect your wealth long-term. I've tried for years to compound effectively. This blueprint gave me clarity and confidence to grow without fear. Susan T says, faster compounding cycles, better growth rates, easier long-term wealth. Whew. Simple, repeatable blueprint removes confusion. Let's go. Without this, your profits plateau and your long-term wealth stalls. Okay, who here is tired of their cryptos doing absolutely nothing? Wave your hands at me. Like, this is too slow, too slow. Guys, this AI bot, like, divide it 50%. Stick it in here. That's why I'm so excited with this product. This is the missing link between small wins and generational wealth. The compounding blueprint is 7,597 in value. Now you're going to get the premium pack 34,497 value, the digital Palau fast track 4,997 value, the 48 full bot deployment service 4,597 value, the compounding blueprint 7,597 value, all of that 30, 40, 45, 53. And now you can compound safely. Who here needs an ongoing elite mentorship to stay on track? Okay, write me in the chat. This is you. You want to surround yourself with elite AI investors and traders. You want real-time mentorship and proven strategies. You want accountability so you don't fall back into old habits. But if it's also like you, sounds, write me in the chat. You don't know if you'll fit with the elite AI investors, traders. You're worried this will be too advanced for me. I've joined groups before that didn't deliver. Guys, we are delivering since 2022. 12 months, elite VIP traders club membership, access to top-tier mentorship, and elite peers isn't available outside high net worth circles. A 12-month private membership with direct access to elite traders, insider strategies, and ongoing support to keep you scaling. By the way, this is the last day. It's going to be 12-month. Next time, this is going to be 6 months. Okay, this community was worth the price alone. I finally feel like I belong with the elite. Mark D says, faster growth, better strategies, easier accountability. Plug into mentorship and peer accountability instantly. Without this, you'll lose momentum and drift back to old patterns. Elite mentorship is the difference between short-term wins and long-term wealth. The 12-month Elite VIP Traders Club membership, $12,997 value. Now you're going to get the premium pack at $34,497. The digital Palau, $4,997 fast track value. The 48-hour full bot deployment service, $4,597 value. The compounding blueprint, $7,597 value. The 12-month Elite VIP Traders Club membership, $12,997 value. A total value of whatever that is, it's almost near $83,158. Guys, if all did this was to give you a clear step-by-step roadmap to crypto wealth, would it be worth it? Okay. Another question. If all did this was to eliminate the confusion you had around investing in cryptocurrencies, would it be worth it? And lastly, if all did this was to help you align your finances with a purpose and finally see growth in your investments, would that be worth it? By the way, guys, within a week, you will see growth, right? Within a week, once it's turned on. You now have the elite mentorship. You're ready to lock in a complete crypto legacy system. Guys, write me in the chat if this is you. Some bonus items for you guys. You want a lifetime strategies to leave a legacy for my family. You want access to timeless lessons that don't expire with market shifts. You want on-demand education I can revisit anytime. But this also sounds like you, like me in the chat. You bought courses before and never finished them. I'm worried it won't stay relevant long-term. I don't want theory. I need practical strategies. For that, guys, we have the Lifetime Crypto Legacy Vault Masterclass. Years of collected strategies, millionaire interviews, insider lessons that can't be pieced together outside this vault. You get lifetime access to our Crypto Legacy Vault, a masterclass library covering compounding, risk, global strategies, AI tactics to build generational wealth are some of them. This vault is my wealth library. I revisit it whenever I face market shift. It always has the answers. Jeanette K. By the way, you can do searches on these. Faster access to proven wisdom, better clarity in uncertain times, easier, repeatable results. Always available, bingeable, or step-by-step at your pace. Without this, you rely on fleeting advice and miss timeless strategies that create legacies. Legacy level wealth building is impossible without consistent wisdom to guide it. The lifetime access to the crypto legacy vault masterclass is $4,997. By the way, I've sold this for 10K ish around there. Now you're gonna get the configuration pack, 34 to 497 value, the digital Palau fast track 4997 value, the 48-hour full bot deployment service 4597 value, the compounded blueprint 7597 value, the 12-month elite VIP traders club membership, lifetime access to the crypto legacy vault masterclass 497. I got 2 more bonuses for you guys. Now you have the lifetime strategy. How about protecting your wealth daily? Okay, that's where the 24/7 AI risk guardian management comes in. Write me in the chat if this is you. You want peace of mind knowing your portfolio is protected around the clock. You want AI defense against volatility and sudden losses. I just discovered that. Like JP Morgan, Fidelity, Charles Schwab has this AI defense. And I'm like, why don't we build our own? I want a system that guards my money without me watching charts. But this sounds like you like me in the charts. AI can't really protect against all risk. Can I? Can it? I'm worried I'll still lose in a crash. I don't understand how AI risk management works. For that, we are building our 24/7 AI risk management guardian. Developing this level of AI monitoring system would cost tens of thousands of dollars and years of coding. An AI-powered guardian that monitors your portfolio 24/7, adjusting for volatility, spotting risk, and minimizing losses automatically. I sleep better at night knowing my portfolio has AI eyes on it at all times. Gregory P. Just like a home system. Security system, faster detection of risk, better protection, easier peace of mind. AI runs quietly in the background, no tech skills needed. Without this, one sudden market crash could wipe out months or years of gains. And you guys saw how it was protected even in that black swan event. That's so cool. Risk management is wealth insurance, priceless in volatile markets. The 24/7 AI risk management guardian is a value of 3597 value. Premium pack 34.97, digital Palau 4997 value, deployment service 4597, compound blueprint 7597, the membership 12 months with other members 12997, lifetime access to the vault of the master classes 497 value, the AI risk guardian program 2597. One more bonus. What about celebrating wins and learning with the elite? That's your wealth retreat. Write me in the chat. This is you. You want exclusive access to top tier investors and wealth builders. By the way, we're doing this in Toronto. November 20, 21, 22. Okay, I want to network with high net worth peers. I want immersive in-person mentorship. We've done this actually last month. This is so cool. Write me in this chat. This is also you. You're too busy to travel. I'm not sure I'll belong in a high-level wealth retreat. I don't know if I'll deliver ROI. The private annual wealth retreat, elite mentorship and networking circles like this cost 25 to 50K. I've been there. I've done that. I paid for 25Ks and 50Ks. If you can even get in, wow, can't believe I'm doing this. This is the private retreat where you connect with other elite AI traders, investors, wealth mentors, get advanced strategies, and lock in your legacy plan. The retreat paid for itself, just the connections I made. Game-changing Paul S. Faster networking, better mentorship, easier access to elite insights. It's not all-inclusive. I apologize. It's semi-all-inclusive. I'm just going to say that. Subject to change. Just show up, immerse, and grow. Without this, you'll never access the wisdom, deals, and peer-level accountability that only live retreat provide. I can already see that the next generation bots and other future AI trading bots will be shown here. Okay, I can show that first amongst other versus non-members. This is where the millionaire ideas and partnerships are born. The private annual wealth retreat 98799 value. Now you're gonna get the strategies 3497, the Palau 497. Deployment 497, compound blueprint 797, 12-month 1297, lifetime, the vault, the risk, AI risk 4597, the annual retreat, a value of 83,158. Now you have the elite connections, the elite system. What is it? Guys, the program is for $25,000. $25,000 instead of $83,000. Just kidding. We're not at that price point yet. Okay. I am targeting this for people who have $100,000 and up. Slowly but surely, they are coming. Okay. We were supposed to be 5K this month. I'm still doing the 3K for 12 months. The next time I do this, it will be 3K for 6 months. Okay. So the next step is Minas AI contact to you. If you can put that there, coaches. Minas.ai contact to you. It is for 2997. Man, I can't believe I'm doing this. It's 2997. This is the last. I keep saying this. I just didn't have enough time. I was too tired to change it. It's gonna be for 12 months. Next month, it'll probably 6K. It'll probably be 2997 for 6 months. And then eventually, if anything, this is probably gonna go 2997 per month eventually. So just give you guys a heads up. We already started with this free, then 1,000. Now we're in 3,000. Any questions, guys? Any questions? I think I'm done. I want to rest. Any questions? Let me know. If you can get me the names. I can't miss this. I'm ready to join. Amazing, Josh. There it is. Minas.ai contact to you. I'm so glad that you guys are here. Josh, Yvonne, Jeremy. We already have members here. Already here, learning more, hearing it again. I think Tim already joined as well. Robert. Any questions? I know Jeremy prioritizing the non-members. I think Mark is here too. I know most of my members here. Also have this slide, guys. If you just still have just that one more question, I still have that one question. MinasAcademyQuestions.com. If there's any questions, I'm gonna try to address them all here. I do want to rest at 5 o'clock. I'm feeling under the weather. I can't go till 5:30. What's that we have it there? Yeah, I have it right there. This is gonna change. I'm just giving you guys a heads up. Okay. Any questions, guys? If not, love you all. Members, any questions? You can raise your hands. Yes, Dean, you have a question? Dean. All right, let me unmute you, Dean. Dean. Hey, Dean, go ahead.
Hey, all right. Hey, how you doing?
Hey, Dean.
Quick question. I'm waiting. I did the thing for the digital blowout. Now they sent a something on the email, so I got a picture of it. But I've been waiting for 2 weeks for it, and for the hard copy. First question is that normal? And then the second question is do I need the hard copy in order to be able to start using the investments? Because they got the number and they got the picture of the card. They just
you need the hard copy. You need the hard copy, and I'm gonna go to my email. So in your email, do a search for support at rns.id. Okay, so I'm gonna share this. So you see the screen. I know it's a little bit too small, Dean. So you should see process, payment successful, KYC very successful, updated your information, screening complete, congratulations, and then congratulations, Palau Digital Residents. You want to see all the way to the point where it says Palau ID has been shipped. Because sometimes if you don't see this, if they haven't shipped, two things. You can either email support at rns.id, or you can chat to their chat team in here. Like they'll contact us. You can talk to them and ask them for help. Okay? So hopefully that's it. Do a search for support at RNS ID. Did you see an email that said Palau ID has been shipped?
No, that would be RNS.
So support at rns.id. Support at rns.id. They might tell you like your invalid ID picture. Is that what you got?
I did originally, and I sent it again.
And then just follow up. Sometimes they're actually willing to edit the picture for you and fix it for you. Okay, so
I already did it, and they said something about the shipping date would be October 28th, but I paid expedited, so I don't.
Yes, she'll tell them, hey, why is it on the 28th? I went to expedited. So you can see here, Palau Digital Residence, invalid picture. I did my picture June 6th. Wow, Friday, June 6th. June 6th. Oh, wait, Palau ID invalid picture. September 19, September 21, September 21. Sorry, September 21. So that was September 21. but they didn't ship until October 8th. So I mean, that's kind of like the timeline. So it varies. That was last year. So it's supposed to be 2 weeks. Just follow up with them via email or like the support in here, the support in the chat. So if you go to rns.id and you log in, you'll see a contact us button in the top bottom right, and click on contact us, and you should be able to chat with them. Okay.
Oh, all right, great.
Yeah.
All right, thank you.
And I think I love it. You and your wife got it right, so that's good.
Yeah.
Sometimes the wife gets it faster than the husband. So yeah.
Yeah. Same thing. The guy, she gets things a lot quicker than me. But yeah. Okay. All right. That's cool.
No.
That's it.
No problem. No problem. Okay. And then of course, Dean, you're coming from New York. New York has a lot of restrictions. This is going to be amazing that you can have access to this kind of accounts. Okay. So good. Amazing, Dean. All right. Put you behind the scenes. Oops. Tim, what about Pionex bot? How do we find out about them? Tim, I have a coaching program on it. So the Pionex bot you can get with your digital Palau. So that's my other program on pionex.us, pionex.com. Tim, this is kind of out of scope. If you want, email support at minastech.ca or minasacademyquestions.com because it's out of scope to this. So I do want to highlight it. The Pionex grid bot, you set the lower range, the upper range, the grid counts. We teach that. We have programs on that one. Our members are doing everything. They do the investing, they do the Pionex bot, they do futures trading, and they do the AI trading. So, but today we're talking about this. Okay, Jeremy, any possibility for monthly payment? I got really hard last Friday. May need some time to recover financially. So, Jeremy, we do have. If you go to the order page, we do have right there. The 1,500 upfront, and then 3 times $600 account. Okay, there it is. So we have one there as well. Yeah, so there's one there as well. Okay, any more questions? So that's the monthly payment, $1,500 upfront, and then 3 $600 payments. Okay, any more questions, Coach Isaac? Any more questions? Let me see in the thing. Josh and yeah, go ahead. Sorry,
Jeremiah was asking.
Jeremy. Oh,
Jeremy.
yeah, that's what I covered. Any possibility for monthly payment? I told him the $1,500, and then a monthly payment of $600. Okay, right there, Jeremy. Okay, guys. Any more? Any more questions? What about in the StreamYards? So Josh, let me know if you have any questions. MinasAcademyQuestions.com our thing. All right, guys. Any more questions? So I think I'm done. I'm gonna go rest of 5 minutes. Yeah, Coach Isaac, can you give me the names for the draw? So thank you for staying, guys. Jeremy, I hope you join us. Robert, hopefully you join us. Josh, hopefully you join us. Okay. Where, sir? Privately in Zoom. I'm so out of it. There it is. I see it. All right, guys. So here we go. Thank you, Coach Isaac, one of our coaches. Wheel of names. Let's go. As promised, guys, 80% of your camera. Guys, if you guys are not in our Zoom, you can get it by joining in Minas.ai. Here it is, guys. For 10,000 plus worth of XLM. And the winner is it Raymond or Rose? It's going to be Raymond. Look at RRR. Congratulations, Raymond. Email support at minastech.ca. We'll send you the XLM. Guys, share it there. Share it. Oh, lost connections for your screen share audio. Oh, that was weird. Hopefully that's working. Guys, yeah, Minas Academy, minas.ai/cointech to you. If you have any questions, minasacademyquestions.com. I am planning tonight. I guess I'm resting. Maybe not. In 2 hours, I'll be back on my YouTube video. Probably not. I don't know. I think I need to rest. Any more questions, guys? If no more questions, we'll play the outro video. I don't know if the team loaded the other video. I know my team was working on another video. Did you guys load it on thing? I actually want to see it. So I was like, hey, give me time. John loaded it. Beautiful. All right, I'll play that outro video. Okay, last Thank you, Dean. Guys, I'm just really, really excited. In conclusion, I hope you guys caught this. A lot of you guys are chasing this 1 million, and it's a shocker. This is literally $1,000 per week for the 4% rule. And I hope you guys caught that, where you only need $27,000 with our 15% AI trading bot, and you get the tax free. Now you're going to get the full 1,000 by using crypto loans. We actually show you that in the academy. And that's why I'm really, even though I'm sick, I didn't want to do this. Jeremy's here for the first time, or multiple times. Robert, Josh, I just want you guys to see this. I know I was going to cancel it, but I just want you guys to see this, because in reality, this is what I want. Seeing my parents and others out there where you don't need to worry about money. It's like, wow, now I'm just going to do what I really want to do for the Lord, without having to worry about money. Have it supplement. Like, you don't need to quit your job or your business. It's supplementing whatever you're doing. Now you have a double income, and eventually it'll outpace that. Okay, that's what I've seen in the past. That's what I've done in the past. It's just so cool with Bitcoin mining, with crypto mining. It was like, hey, I was still working. I was producing Bitcoins and Ethereums mining, and it made more than my work. And then I just quit work. I was like, that's so cool. So I end with that. And then with that being said, let's play the outro video. Outro video, where is it? The outro. Did you load it? Intro, there it is. All right, here we go.
In seconds, Erwin Garcia takes the mic. Today's playbook: an AI trading bot, rules on, emotions off.
All right, guys, welcome to the truth about crypto AI bots.
He'll show how raw data becomes signals and how signals trigger action. Position size, max loss, entries and exits, every setting with purpose. You'll see the logic, the checks, and the guardrails that keep traders honest. Live walkthrough.
Karen, you got that? You got the VPN account? Karen, do you have this? The VPN?
Yes, I have
so in this case,
VPN account.
I think we can set this to Mexico.
Real configurations, a simple checklist you can follow. Drop questions in the chat. Q&A follows the demo. Take notes. This is education. Results vary. Your decisions are your responsibility. Lock in. The AI trading bot session starts now.
All right. All right. That's so cool. All right. I'm going to go end the stream. Outro. There is no outro video. End the stream. And I'm going to end the Zoom. All right. Bye, everyone.